Welcome back to our channel Global Vibes. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious smoothie for weight gain using simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen. To get started, you'll need 1 ripe banana, a tablespoon of Milo, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 cup of milk. First, peel the banana and add it to your blender. Next, add a tablespoon of Milo for that rich chocolate flavor. Follow it with a tablespoon of creamy peanut butter for extra protein and healthy fats. Finally, pour in 1 cup of milk. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Pour your smoothie into a glass, and it's ready to enjoy. This smoothie is packed with nutrients to help you gain weight in a healthy way. Bananas provide essential vitamins and minerals. Milo adds a tasty chocolate kick. Peanut butter gives you protein and healthy fats. And milk brings it all together with calcium and extra calories. For best results, drink this smoothie after your meals. It's a perfect way to add extra calories and nutrients to your diet. We hope you enjoy this easy and delicious smoothie recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips.